What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fancy Fire. This is a show where we will take some famous person and just try to make them fancy, or at least fancy in my way. Everyone can imagine different types of fancy. I don't have anything planned, so this is going to be pure improvisation. So I thought to start with Emma Watson. Why not? So first of all, we want to make sure that we get some really nice size. Oh my god, look how happy she is. This is a nice image.
I choose you, Pikachu.
So first of all, I want to change the colors, okay? I want to make them pinky, give some, really magical vibe. Okay, too much. I got you, okay, I got you, too much, okay. I can read your thoughts through the camera, so... Boom! Before, after. You see the difference? Good. I want to start by changing her colors, her hair colors. Maybe something pinky would be good. This is just improvisation, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I like this, but I mean the area, maybe it's better to bring it back the original color because otherwise everyone will think she's an alien, and then people will go just outside and start looking for her to make experiments on her because they will think she's an alien, and it will be my fault. Some people think coronavirus can be passed through Skype calls, so I will not be surprised if they start thinking she's an alien. Okay, and now I'm gonna edit the second part of her hair. Wait, am I recording? Ooh, I am recording, okay, good. And now you can look at that and you can tell me, but Farid, this is not perfecto. Look at that here, the hair is not colored. Here, the hair is not colored. And I will tell you that it doesn't need to be perfecto, okay? I am doing improvisation, I'm trying to make a freaking YouTube video here. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Just let me do my thing. Let's try to maybe try different color, because right now she reminds me of this weird rapper. Okay, baby, now I wanna make her eyes bigger. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it bigger. Maybe this is too bigger, maybe. Be my baby. But don't tell my girlfriend, okay? Make your nose smaller, make your smile. Ooh, look at that. Before, now. Now. I wanna make your eyes shine bright. Which color should I take? Ooh, I like this. Ooh. So what I want to do now is, it can be very interesting, okay? I want to go and find a 3D heart, and I know this may sound horrible, but listen, okay, listen. Don't worry, this is an artificial heart. No one has lost his heart because of this artwork, at least as far as I know. This looks like ass. You know what, let's select this. Wow. Right now you're thinking, wait, what do you want to do with this heart? But listen, okay, just trust me. I also want to download this angle, and also this angle. Okay, and also, you probably didn't notice, but I'm kinda sick. Okay, not kinda, I'm seriously sick, okay? And if you have watched my previous tutorials, I'm usually like that. But today I'm just like that. More like a drug dealer, but don't worry, I'm not dying. Well, actually, who knows? Let's take first this heart. Ooh, look how cute! And as we can see, this doesn't look real at all. I'm gonna drop some shadow. Who decided to make the shadow purple? Or violet? Like, who was that stupid guy? I mean, obviously it was me, but that's not the point. Okay, you know what is wrong with this heart? I give you 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, okay, I lied to you, I gave you only 2 seconds. I know I'm a bad person. You see? Her skin got texture. Wow. I know I'm beautiful, but that's not the point, okay? Concentrate. Let's go to pattern overlay, add some pattern. So I wanna add some pointy pattern. Look here. No pattern, pattern. Yeah, it does look actually better. Now what, let me say this because it looks like my Photoshop is going crazy. Emma Watson, fancy. Let's try again, important as it. And it works. Wow, I'm a magician. We see that these parts are blurry and the hearts are not. I'm gonna choose filter, I'm gonna choose blur, I'm gonna choose Gaussian blur, and voila! wow, this looks horrible. Let's cancel blur at all. If I try to add bevel and boss, wow, it does look kind of nice. Something is missing. I don't know what, but something is wrong here. So if I just add some outer glow, try to add some green up. No way. Let's maybe white. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, now she definitely looks like an alien. Maybe I should just add some gradient on top of it, just like a cherry, radial gradient. This is kind of nice. She looks like she's smoking all day long now. I mean, she's kind of cute. Wow. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna send this to her. And I mean, you see here Emma Watson. She's probably not going to reply, but I have an idea. Okay, I will send these fancy images to the people that I actually do them for. So basically to the singers, actors, or whatever. And most likely no one's going to reply, but you never know. You know, it's like you just have to take a step, and you never know what's gonna happen. Guys, let me know if you like this new show idea, I would say, and if you want me to do series of this where I will just take some random famous people and make them fancy. Bye bye, love you. I know you love me too.